What if I told you that one of the cheapest, dumbest looking exercises you can do, literally just hanging there, might reduce shoulder pain, decompress your spine, and make your upper body feel looser in a week? No supplements, no machines, no motivational nonsense. But only if you don't screw it up like most people do. In the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly what happens to your body if you dead hang before bed for 7 nights, what improves, what doesn't, and what influencers straight up lie about. You'll also get a clear 7-day plan, common mistakes that cause pain instead of relief, and how to know if this habit is actually worth keeping or dropping. Step 1. What a dead hang actually does. No myths. Dead hanging is passive spinal decompression. That's it. You're letting gravity gently pull your shoulders and spine apart instead of compressing them all day under sitting, phones, and bad posture. What it does, temporarily reduces spinal compression, stretches lats, shoulders, and forearms, improves shoulder joint tolerance, calms the nervous system slightly. What it does not do, permanently increase height, realign your spine magically, fix years of posture by itself. If someone promises more than that, they're lying or clueless. Step 2. Nights 1 to 2. What you'll feel first. The first 2 nights are uncomfortable, period. You'll notice forearms burning fast, grip failing early, tight shoulders screaming. That's not progress, that's exposure. Your joints aren't used to traction. Your grip is weak. Your shoulders are stiff. If you feel sharp pain in the shoulder or elbow, stop. That's not stretch pain. That's your body saying you're being stupid. Step 3. Nights 3 to 4. The decompression effect. By midweek, most people notice upper back feels looser after hanging. Slight relief in neck tension. Shoulders feel lighter. Why? Because you're finally giving your spine a break from constant compression. This is temporary relief, not structural change. But temporary relief still matters, especially before sleep. Some people report better sleep. That's not magic either. Gentle stretching plus parasympathetic activation equals easier wind down. Step 4. Nights 5 to 7. Adaptation kicks in. By the end of the week, grip endurance improves, shoulder discomfort decreases, hang time naturally increases. This is where dead hanging becomes useful long-term, not because it's dramatic, but because it's sustainable. Your shoulders start tolerating overhead positions better. That matters if you lift, train pull-ups, or sit all day like a statue. But listen carefully. If nothing improves by day 7, this habit is not for you. Drop it. No ego. Common mistakes. This is where people screw it up. Mistake number 1, hanging too long. More is not better. 30 to 60 seconds total is enough. Anyone hanging 3 to 5 minutes before bed is chasing Instagram validation, not results. Mistake number 2, locking the shoulders. A true dead hang is relaxed, not shrugged, not locked, not pensed. If you're clenching like you're doing a pull-up, you're missing the point. Mistake number 3, ignoring grip limits. If grip fails first, use towel grip, chalk, shorter sets. Don't force it. Tendon pain takes weeks to heal. Mistake number 4, expecting posture fixes. Dead hangs don't fix posture, they support posture work. Big difference. 7-day action plan, no guessing. Nights 1 to 2. 2 sets of 20 to 30 seconds. Fully relaxed shoulders. Step down slowly. Nights 3 to 4. 2 to 3 sets of 30 seconds. Focus on breathing. Stop before grip fails. Nights 5 to 7, 3 sets of 40 to 45 seconds. Optional slight knee bend. No swinging, no ego. Do this 10 to 20 minutes before bed, not right before lying down. If pain increases, not soreness, stop immediately. Who should not do this? Let's be blunt. Do not dead hang if you have shoulder impingement, recent rotator cuff injury, severe elbow tendinitis, or spinal instability. This isn't a cure, it's a tool. Dead hanging before bed for 7 nights won't transform your body, but it can reduce daily compression, improve shoulder comfort, support recovery, improve sleep readiness. That's a solid return for 2 minutes a night. If this surprised you, comment "hang" so I know you're testing it. If you want the next video on whether dead hangs actually improve pull-ups or if that's another myth, watch the next one. Now stop overthinking it. Try it for a week, then decide, based on results, not hype.